Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Today was the very challenging market and we still manage very good PPs. Let me share with you during this challenging market how we manage squeeze very good PPs. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis and review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD chart, and if you look at the 4 hour, we're expecting a breakout this one. Let's see tomorrow if the price is going to break. But our bias was short once the price respected this support resistance level. Let me share with you the entries. We had a pretty straightforward entries last night. You can see here that's the Asian session breakout, bank few PPs, and London morning. You can see here the time, so you can see here price nicely broken. Our bias was short here, you can see here based on the momentum, and price was at the major resistance level. So you have taken a short, pull back short, bank few PPs, and that's it. No big moves as you can see here. Let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar again, we had we were expecting if the price gonna break this level long, otherwise short here. So we have a beautiful few PPs on pound dollar. Let me share with you guys. And if you look at the entries and exit in intraday, okay, so we have this one this morning analysis. As you can see here, we have this long here, so we were expecting a pullback at this level, and because the price was at the major resistance level, so explain if the price gonna break, we're going to have aggressive short trade here or pullback. So you can see here we have aggressive short trade here, which we announced through live audio commentary. And after that, we have beautiful pullback short trade here as soon as the price hit to the previous low level in 4 hour. And that's what explained my trade is time to enjoy some profit. After banking some profit, you can see price reverse. Again, look for this breakout as mentioned. You can see it based on the momentum. Price nicely broken, beautiful short trade, bank few more PPs. And afterwards, price reverse. Again, look for this breakout, price nicely broken, even breakout and retest few more PPs. And afterwards price nicely reverse, and explain to my look for this one. As you can see here, why I did this type of analysis, because if you look at the price action, price nicely, we were expecting possibility of pullback at this level, or if the price gonna break, then short trade here, or if the price gonna break, then long here, as you can see here in analysis. Through live audio commentary, we announced as soon as the price broke on this one, beautiful, you can see here nicely, price target hit, bank few more PPs. Afterwards price reverse, again same, if the price gonna break this level, short trade here, break long here. That's what we do intraday analysis. You can see here price nicely broken and hit to the previous low, bank 4 more PPs. So that's what exactly we traded in consolidation market, but we within this small movements, as you can see here, how many pips we have managed. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a quite nice trades here, and now most of the traders, they are taking a short trade here. Let me explain to you. Okay, so if you look at the 4 hour, yesterday we had a long trade here, so we have this correction and price nicely. This blue line is technically is monthly support, which is broken resistance yesterday, so we were expecting a long here, but we managed to have few more short PPs here and then counter long trade. Let me share with you the entries and exit. And if you look at here, this is the analysis we did. You can see here price develop a sideways market. That was the breakout trade here. That was a beautiful breakout, bank few PPs, price nicely hit target, and after banking pips, we were expecting another pullback as always. So you can see here in the another analysis, banking pullback, nicely target hit, bank few more PPs. Once the price developed low high, then I said guys, because the price was at the major support level in 4 hour, that's what explained to my look for this breakout, as you can see here. So technically we sort of like we had an inverted head and shoulder pattern, you can see here, and we're looking this breakout, price nicely, and we have the major support nicely broken. And explained guys, just keep taking a pullbacks until the price gonna hit the previous high. So we have breakout, pullback, pullback, pullback. As soon as the previous high hit, double top, bank some profit. After some banking some profit, we have impulsive move, and I said look for this breakout. you have a channel, we have this breakout, and I explain keep taking a pullback. So you can see here we have another pullback is performed here. All right, guys, as you can see, the best trade we had it, that was the pound yen, even pound yen and the dollar yen. Let me share with you the pound yen, guys. If you look at the pound yen trade in 4 hours, still we can see here consolidation. Yeah, so sort of like price is developing a falling wedge. That's the sign of reversal. We will see tomorrow. So we had beautiful when the price respected this resistance level. We have taken all short trade here pullbacks. We also had a few long trade here. Let me share with you the entries in pound yen. We had a nice, very good trades, guys, today. And if you look at here, yen has given us a very good pair. Okay, so this morning, as you can see here, just before London Open, look for this breakout. Technically, we were looking at short because you can see here price nicely broken but did not respect this level. So this one give us the confirmation short, but safest we look for this breakout. You can see here price broken. Look at bottom, momentum bearish, and price was at the major resistance level. That's the rejection. So we have taken breakout, pullback, pullback, pullback. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the major support, bank some profit. So we expecting some reversal, but we need a valid technical pattern. As you can see here, price nicely developed a false breakout. After the breakout, price retest, breakout, beautiful, nicely 200 EMA, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, price develop another consolidation. As you can see here, sideways market at the New York session. That was a beautiful breakout. Short trade here, bank amazing profit. All right, guys, as you see how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday, how we manage squeeze some very good pips even in a consolidation market. That's why we are intraday trader. And as always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you're struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train traders every day through live intraday analysis, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation for the limited time period. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.